fire. Do not play with sharp objects. Yes, do not play with electric wires and cables. Next, about roads, do not play on the roads. Next, you should follow traffic rules. Then at school, do not run on stairs up and down. Do not pull or push with others. Next, let us discuss about our family. Who are your parents? Yes, your father and mother are your parents. Who are your siblings? Yes, brother or sister are your siblings. Who are your grandparents? Mother's mother or father's mother are your grandmothers. Father's father, mother's father are your grandfather. And all of you take a textbook. Let us revise. Safety first. Safety. We should keep ourselves safe. Understand? See, do not play with sharp objects. This boy is playing with sharp objects. So, you should do not play with sharp objects. Do not play with sharp objects. What is this, children? Yes, do not play with electric wires. Do not play with electric wires at home. Next, do not go near the fire. Do not go near the fire. Next, do not play near lean over windows. Lean over windows or balconies. See, this boy leaning on the wall. Next, do not go near burning fire. Do not go near burning fire. What is next one? Do not put fruit peel or toys on the floor. Someone might slip and fall. Understand? Next, at school, do not run down the stairs. These children are running down. Do not run down the stairs. Okay. Do not go outside the school gate alone. Do not go outside the school gate alone. Do not push or pull others. Do not push or pull others. Do not stand in front of moving swing. Do not stand in front of moving swing. Okay. Next, about safety, road safety. Do not play or run on the roads. Do not play or run on the roads. Next, go out on the roads only with an adult. Hold hands and go out on the roads only with adults. Next, use zebra crossing to cross the road. Use zebra crossing to cross the road. Do not put your hands or head out of moving vehicle. Do not put head or hands out of moving vehicles. Next, put seat belt while going in a car and wear helmet while riding on a bike. Put seat belt. Next, follow traffic rules. See, red light for stop, yellow wait or slow. Next, green go. Understand, children? Next, safe touch and unsafe touch. We feel safe and happy when our parents or grandparents hug us. Okay, should not allow to touch others. We also feel happy and safe when our teachers or friends give us a high five or pat on our shoulders. You feel happy. Okay. Children, see these pictures. Do not touch others. These parts here, here and these parts. Don't allow to touch others. Okay, and bum side. Next, girls, lips, chest, here and bum. Okay, be careful when strangers come to you. Okay, do not allow to them touch any private parts. If someone touches you on your private parts or makes you uncomfortable, it is an unsafe touch. If that happens, remember, just tell your teacher or your mother. Say not. Say no and run out. Tell a trusted adult. You can tell your mother or teacher. Remember, stranger, danger. Stranger, danger. Do not talk to or take sweets from strangers. Do not keep any secrets from your parents. Must tell everything to your parents. Of, if not, good to know, call 1098. Otherwise, 1098. The child line if you need help. Okay. Now let us revise about my family. Big family and joint family. Joint family and small family. There are two types of family. Joint family and small family. Who are your parents? Your father and mother are your parents. Who are your siblings? Your brother or sister are your siblings. Who are your grandfathers? Father's father and your mother's father are your grandfathers. Who are your father's mother and mother's mother are your grandmothers. Your grandfather and grandmother are your grandparents. Understand, children? Your fathers and your mother's brothers are your uncles. Next, your fathers and your mother's sisters are your aunts. Your uncles and aunts are your cousins. Types of family: small family and joint family. Two types of families: small family and joint family. Next, about my house. All of us live in houses. A house protects us from rain, heat, cold, wind, dust, thieves and stray animals. Do you remember the different rooms in a house? What do we see in each of these rooms? This is living room. Living room, receive guests. Dining room, eat our meals. Bedroom, sleep or rest. Kitchen, cook food. Next, bathroom, take a bath. Types of houses. There are three types of houses: kacha house, pakka house and igloos. There are three types of houses: kacha house, pakka house and igloos. Kacha houses are made of mud, clay, straw and leaves. They are not very strong. Example, hut. Pakka house. Pakka houses are made of bricks, concrete, steel, etc. They are very strong. Examples, bungalows, apartments. Igloos are made of blocks of ice. Blocks of ice. Okay. Now let us learn about monsoon. During monsoon, strong winds bring rain. Do you like to play in the rain? Yes, this girl is playing. See, they are carrying raincoat, umbrella and sandals. We wear raincoat, boots or sandals and carry umbrellas when it rains. Do you know how many colors in rainbow? Yes, there are 7 colors. Rainbow has 7 colors. Together we call Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. There are 7 colors. How many colors in rainbow? There are 7 colors in rainbow. Okay. Now let us learn about sources of water. Rain, well, river, lake, stream, sea. Understand? These are the different sources of water. A lake is a large water body surrounded by land. A river moves or runs along its bank and reaches the sea. Lakes and rivers usually have fresh water. Sea water is salty. Why water is important? Why, children? Water is our best friend. Water is our best friend. Water keeps us alive. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Plants and animals also need water to survive. See how many glasses of water we should drink every day? 6 to 8 glasses of water we should drink. What are the uses of water? How do we use water, children? See, cooking, bathing, brushing, washing, cleaning, watering plants. Next, Look at the pictures, tick the correct in each set. Map of India. This map of India. Okay. National flower, lotus. National fruit, mango. National animal, tiger. National birds, peacock. Okay.